This is a question from GATE CS 2025, Set 1, question number 18 of 1 mark. So we are given a graph G. Let G be an undirected graph with positive edge weights and let T be a minimum spanning tree of G. For any two vertices u and v, let d1 uv and d2 uv be the shortest distance between u and v in G and T respectively. Which one of the options is correct for all possible G, T, U and V? So this question is from the algorithm subjects and minimum spanning tree topic. So we are given a graph G and an MST T of G. So when we say that T is an MST of G, we see that T is a subgraph of G. And we are asked that given a graph G and T and any pair of vertices U and V, what is the relationship between their distances in the graph and the tree? So notice that when we say T is a subgraph of G, it implies that any edge in T is also present in G. Any edge, say VU, belongs to T also belongs to G. Also belongs to the edge set of G. So, is this case ever possible that we can have shorter distance in T but larger distance in G? This case can never arise. And now, to validate the other three options, let us consider an example. So, consider a graph with 4 nodes. And let the weights be defined as 1 on each of these edges. So let this be G. Now let's try to construct an MST tree T. Since the edge weights are equal, so there can be multiple MSTs possible. So let me draw the different MSTs that are possible. This is 1. Okay, these are the 4 MSTs that are possible. Let us consider any pair of nodes. Let us say D1 of UV and D2 of UV. So consider this MST. So here the edge or the distance between the pair of vertices 1 and 2. Let's see for 1 and 2. So this is equals to 1. In the MST also it is 1. So we cannot refute the option that D1 and D2 are never equal. Then the second possibility is, can they be greater than or equal to? So we have now refuted the option that they cannot be equal. Now there remains to check 2 more possibilities, whether D1 and D2 are equal or they are less than equals to. Okay. So now consider this MST tree. The distance between 1 and 2 in G is 1, but the distance here is 3. Hence, this is the correct option, that they can be equal or less than equals to D2. Hence, the correct option is B.